Well,
I'm right here. That's where you told me to stay. I'm staying right here.
That's not as fun.
It's not as fun.
Stay here.
Stay here. Okay.
You
Should have seen that.
What?
Stay here. Wham. That's what he did. Stay here. Slam the door. And then he did that extra gesture. Like, stay there.
Where'd he go? You think he's still there? Yeah, let's see. Did he listen? What? Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Where could he have gone? Where's your daddy? Where is he? You think he's in the bathroom again?
Yeah.
Well, you want to go check? Go look in the bathroom. Is he in there?
No.
No? Is he in Uncle Carl's room, maybe?
Get tired of that game?
No, he's not in Uncle Carl's room? Is he in our room? Did you look in there?
Yes.
No. Now, where could he be? You want to check over there again? Where else could he have gone? Did he disappear? Let's go this way. Maybe see if we can find him.
Here's Bismarck. Here's Bismarck. You found me.
Oh, you found him. This is going to be a pretty funny video, Carl.
Stay here, not go anywhere.
Did you get this all on video? This is going to be a pretty good video. Bizarre stuff.
Close the door.
Okay, watch your fingers. Are you allowed Biso in? Not go anywhere?
that's part of the thing. Close the door and then
Go in the closet.
Where did Daddy go? He didn't stay there? Where'd he go? This
You're
is
gonna
very
have to look.
suspicious.
You're
I
gonna
have
to
no
look.
idea where he is.
Go back around. Maybe you'll have to open the door again.
Yeah, maybe if you open the door.
He's coming this way.
You scared Daddy
that
you surprised Daddy.
You could have scared Daddy that time. Yeah.
You scared him. He was trying to surprise you. That's yucky, man.